Here are 5 of the best Amazon FBA deals we found in March. So welcome back to the Profitl channel. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button for Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. And as always, let us know in the comments any other videos you would like us to make. In today's video, we are showing you 5 more of the best products we found this month. And the whole idea of this is just to help people on our YouTube channel, help our users learn where to find Amazon FBA deals, what should they be looking for, because finding FBA deals is by far the hardest part about Amazon FBA. So we hope this series does help you out and just gives you a little insight on the sort of products you can be sourcing to sell on Amazon. Now, a quick disclaimer, we don't really recommend to buy any of these products. The reason for this is they all come from our deal of the day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday to all of our customers in our Discord, and there's 4,500 members in our Discord. So as you can imagine, they do get seen by a lot of people, and some people do buy them. We do tell everyone in our Discord, please don't buy these products just because they can become saturated. But often you can find other products from these because there might be an offer on, or it just shows you new websites you may not know. So let's not wait any longer. Let me show you the first product. Okay, so the first product we had is from the website A1 Toys, and you may or may not have heard of this website. It's a great website. They sell toys, as you can probably guess. Now, this one was a Thomas the Tank Engine or Thomas and Friends rail rocket. We could buy this one for £4.99, and on Amazon we can see it's selling for £13.35, and all of these prices are correct at the time I'm recording. This is all live data, but obviously when this does go out, it may have changed slightly. So let's have a quick look at this on the Profitl Chrome extension. So here we have all the data on the Profitl extension. So this one didn't have amazing sales. It was only selling 15 to 29 units a month, but it did have really good reviews. So 146 reviews, and it was 5-star rated. Let's have a look at all the profit breakdown. So our fees, £2.58 FBA fee, £2.04 referral fee, giving us a return on investment of 68%, so really healthy 68%, and a profit per unit of £3.54. And if you watched our videos before, you know we aim for a minimum of 30%, so we're getting over double here. And on this one, there was only 2 other FBA sellers on the listing, so not too much competition. Now, when we do actually source Amazon FBA deals, we do a lot more analysis than what I've shown you there. We look at price graphs, stock levels, any potential warnings on the product which could cause us issues. So that is just a basic of analyzing, but initially that product looks like it's got really good potential. So on to product number 2 now, and it is from Ocado, a great website for sourcing your FBA deals. Now this one is actually some tea bags, and would you believe they are very popular on Amazon. Typically people who just can't be bothered to shop around, people have their buying habits, and often people ask us, why do people pay so much more on Amazon? And it is for that Prime badge. It's the power of Amazon Prime, the service they get from Amazon, free next day delivery, free returns. That is why people are willing to pay more. But this one here we can buy for £5.10. It's just Birchall Great Riff Breakfast Blend Everyday Tea Bags. It's an 80 pack. Now if we head over to Amazon, we can see it's selling for £13.89. So we're buying it for £5.10 and selling it for £13.89. So let's quickly go through all the data. So this one was good because it had really good sales, so 61 to 179 units a month. 8 FBA sellers, a little bit on the high side. When we did actually find this product, there was less sellers on this listing, but obviously, sadly, when you're doing Amazon FBA, you are going to face a lot of competition. But the key is don't get into pricing wars. If people are dropping their price or there's lots of sellers on the listing, as long as it's not a bad listing, they will all sell out. The chances are most people are doing arbitrage, and most people are only buying 10 to 20 units at a time. So as you can imagine, this one's doing 61 to 179 units. They soon sell out. So it really isn't worth getting involved in the pricing wars. And this one had another really good return on investment, so 68%, giving us a £3.61 profit for every single one we sell. Now, before we get into the next deal, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which will save you some money on your Profitl subscription. We'll make it pop up just here. It's going to save you either 5% on yearly plans or 20% on monthly plans. Yearly plans are already 50% off, so make sure to take that down and you can use it when you are ready to start your Amazon FBA journey or just get involved with Profitl. So on to deal number 3, and this one is a seasonal one, so it's one for Easter really, which is obviously coming up, and it's another one from Ocado, and it is a Lindt Easter Gold Bunny Milk Chocolate mini bag, which we can buy for £3.50, these actually have 50p off. Now let's head over to Amazon, where we can see this is selling for £9.10. So buying for £3.50, selling for £9.10. So let's put the data into here and just run you through the data. Another one with decent sales, 61 to 179 units a month. The chances are this is going to drop massively after Easter, so you really need to get this sort of product into Amazon's warehouse, sold, and then forget about it. Now, of course, it probably will get some sales throughout the year, but obviously this is an Easter product, Easter treat, so that is when the bulk of the sales are going to happen. Now in this one, we've got 6 FBA sellers, so not crazy competition, and another healthy return on investment. So 69% ROI, giving us £2.57 profit per unit. And as I always like to remind you, if we was actually buying this product, we would be doing a lot more analysing. But the first thing we're always checking for is, can we buy it for less than we're selling it for? Is it selling? Is our profit good? Do we have much competition? That's when we get into the more, once we've checked that, that's when we get into the more detailed analysis. So moving on to deal number 4, and this one is from Iceland. This one is actually sold out now, but at the time we sent it in, it wasn't sold. So we could buy these for £3 each, and it's these Newbie 2 daytime dummies, 6 to 18 months. Now, if we head over to Amazon, we can see it sells for £11.24, so we was only buying this for £3, so it was almost triple the price, which meant we knew we had a lot of wiggle room on the price, and if we could sell it for this price, our profit was going to be really good. Now, it didn't have crazy sales, only 6 to 29 units a month, but when you've got a return on investment like this, so 110%, that would give us £3.53 profit per unit. We're only spending £3. This is absolutely the sort of deal you want to be going for. And the thing about Amazon FBA, often the prices do drop down. So if you've got a really good profit to start with, it only puts you in a better position later on. It gives you a lot more leeway to adjust your price. And just 6 FBA sellers on this product. So another great product here, and this one from Iceland. Now onto our 5th and final deal, just to show you the types of deals out there of potential Amazon FBA products. And this one's from Forbidden Planet, and it is a toy. They mostly do toys. So this is a Star Wars stretch mini action figure Stormtrooper. And this one we could buy for £4.99 each. And on Amazon it was selling for £11.95. So not as good profit on this one. We're only getting 42% return on investment. Giving us an estimated profit of £2, but decent sales, 60 to 90 units a month, and there's only 3 other FBA sellers. On this one was that Amazon had been selling on this listing, but other sellers had the buy box, so we did see that they were sharing it. So for example, right now we can see there's another seller who does have the buy box, but it is really down to each member whether they like to compete with Amazon or not. Personally, I will sell against Amazon if I can ensure I can compete on the buy box. Otherwise, I would leave it. But this one we could compete, so that's why we put it in today's video. So that's our pick of 5 more of the best FBA deals in March. And as a reminder, please don't buy them deals. They will become even more saturated as they just get seen by a lot of people. Just use it as a bit of inspiration on what you should be looking for and where you should be looking. But thank you so much for watching today's videos. As always, you'll find all of our important links in the description. Don't forget to let us know in the comments any other videos you would like us to make. We do try and reply to all of your comments. But that's all for now, and we'll see you in the next one.